Babies, let's trace the alphabet with some color. Pink color, brown color, violet color, orange color. First, orange color. Orange color, A. A for aeroplane. Orange color, A. A for ant. Orange color, A. A for apple. Brown color. Brown color, A. A for apple. Brown color, A. A for ant. A for airplane. Violet color. Violet color, A for apple. Violet color, A for ant. Violet color, A for airplane. Pink color. Pink color, A for airplane. Pink color, A for ant. Pink color, A for apple.